Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to share screen with audio on Discord. To start the process, open your Discord application on your mobile device. Then tap on menu on your top left corner. Here, tap on General. Now tap on Join Voice. Then swipe up and tap on Share Your Screen. After that, tap on Start Now. As you can see, we're sharing our screen. Again, swipe up and tap on Voice Settings. Now turn the toggle off for auto sensitivity. You can adjust the sensitivity by using the slider. Turn your volume up to the maximum. Then turn the volume up for soundboard volume. Scroll down and turn the toggle on for Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. Turn the toggle on for echo cancellation. Use your mobile side buttons to turn the volume up to the maximum. This is how you can share a screen with audio on Discord. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.